An elephant produces 300 pounds of poop every single day. That is more than most adult humans weigh. And the reason is not just size. Elephants barely digest their food. Most of what they eat comes out almost exactly as it went in. Grass, plants, and fiber mostly intact. Their digestive system is so inefficient that they need to eat constantly just to get enough nutrients. The largest land animal on Earth survives by eating more than it can process. Every single day, what is the wildest animal fact you know?